A return of SpaceX's Crew-10 astronauts after spending nearly 5 months aboard the International Space Station, ISS, marks a significant milestone. And yet, there's much more beneath the surface of this mission that captivates the imagination. But here's where it gets even more interesting. This splashdown wasn't just routine. It introduced new protocols for safe landings off the US West Coast, a major shift from past missions. On Saturday, August 9th, the Crew-10 team safely made their way back home, concluding a lengthy and demanding expedition orbiting Earth. Their spacecraft, the Crew-Dragon capsule, fittingly named Endurance, touched down gracefully in the Pacific Ocean near California, precisely at 11:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 8:33 a.m. California local time. This moment marked the end of an extraordinary journey that tested human resilience and technological precision. Shortly after splashdown, Anne McClain, NASA astronaut and commander of the capsule, radiated heartfelt gratitude over the radio, simply stating, "From the entire Crew-10, thank you. It was truly the ride of a lifetime." McClain's words perfectly capture the blend of challenge and excitement that defines space travel. To put it into context, Crew-10 was the 10th operational mission flown by SpaceX's Crew Dragon under NASA's Commercial Crew Program, highlighting the growing partnership that is reshaping access to low Earth orbit. This mission consisted of 4 highly skilled astronauts, McClain and Nichole Ayers from NASA, Takuya Onishi, representing Japan's Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, and Kirill Peskov from Roscosmos, Russia's space agency. Within the crew, McClain led as commander, Ayers took charge as pilot, while Onishi and Peskov served as mission specialists. The journey began in earnest on March 14, when the Falcon 9 rocket launched Endurance from Earth, propelling the crew toward the ISS. They docked just 2 days later, where they immediately immersed themselves in their primary mission, conducting a wide range of scientific experiments relevant not only to space exploration, but potentially beneficial to life back on Earth. NASA highlighted that the crew focused on understanding how space travel impacts mental and physical health, investigated blood flow dynamics from the brain to the heart, tested innovative navigation techniques for future lunar missions, among other critical studies. As their mission neared its end, the groundwork for Crew-10's departure was laid when the Crew-11 astronauts arrived at the station on August 2nd, replacing the outgoing team. Crew-10's members spent valuable time sharing knowledge and insights with their successors, passing the torch for ongoing life and work aboard the ISS. Following their handover, they began preparations to return safely home, while also reflecting on the unique experiences of their months in orbit. During a farewell ceremony on August 5th, pilot Nichole Ayers expressed a profound mix of accomplishment and joy, saying, "We got to accomplish a lot of really amazing operational things. We saw some breathtaking views, shared hearty laughs, and created wonderful memories. Leaving with a heart full of gratitude, we're excited to see the future direction of the ISS after we return." Her words remind us that space missions forge not only scientific progress, but also deep human connections. The actual departure from the ISS occurred on August 8th at 4:20 p.m. EDT, when the hatches between Endurance and the station closed securely. Approximately 2 hours later, at 6:15 p.m. EDT, the capsule undocked and began its controlled journey down through Earth's atmosphere, setting the stage for the much-anticipated Pacific Ocean splashdown the next day. Now here's an aspect that might spark some debate. This was the very first time a SpaceX Commercial Crew Program mission landed in the Pacific Ocean. Until now, all prior Crew Dragon missions came back off the coast of Florida. The shift to the West Coast was a deliberate strategy to reduce risk to populated areas from any falling space debris during re-entry, a growing concern as human activity in orbit intensifies and the threat of space junk looms larger. While Crew-10 was Notably, Onishi commanded the ISS during Expedition 73 from April until recently handing over command to cosmonaut Sergei Ryzhikov. Another reminder of the international cooperation that underpins space exploration. In summary, the successful splashdown of Crew-10 not only caps a monumental chapter for each astronaut involved, but also ushers in new operational norms, challenges, and collaborations in human spaceflight. What do you think about SpaceX's shift to Pacific Ocean landings? Does changing the splashdown location make space travel safer, or might it bring new risks? And as international crews continue to share this frontier, how will partnerships evolve in the coming decades? Share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your perspective on this thrilling and sometimes contentious arena of human exploration.